Hey guys, it's Sane here. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are returning subscribers, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And if it's your first time tuning in with me, welcome to my channel. And please do subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up, and so that I can welcome you back next video. For today's video, it's not really a tutorial, maybe it is a tutorial, but I'm just going to show you what I've actually tried out. Since actually it's been a season of bonnets, I'm actually ready to do other things now. I have been doing other content, but anyways guys, just bear with me. So I've just come up with, not really I've come up, but I saw this on somebody else's blog and I really liked it, and I thought I wanted to try it out. It's a bonnet basically with strings, so sort of like a duke, and this one is quite big. I do have this one which is a bit smaller if you don't want a whole big thing. But my idea of actually a big bonnet is that, you know, if you do make your hair into box braids, it helps you to actually fill up, or no, not to fill up, but to put everything in the bonnet. So the bigger for me, the better. And as you can see, I'm on a dreadlock journey. I also make so that when my dreads are actually longer and they are thicker, or not thicker but longer basically, so that they can fit into my bonnets. I know I can always make, but anyways, I'm just looking into the future, you know. Anyways, let me not blab a lot. Let me show you how to get these one. So basically this one, you can wear it both sides. All right, this side and this side. And I really like this bonnet, because like, even if you try it, you will tell me you love it, because you know, it's okay. I love the other bonnet, the original with the elastic and everything, but this one is also nice because you tie it and this is secured. You can tie it to your liking. What I've actually realized with the other bonnets is that the one with the elastic is that you can't, okay, some people have big heads, sorry, some people have small heads, so like you know, this is strings, it's like a duke, so it's nice, it's really nice. It secures your head, your hair, sorry, not your head. But anyways, you tie it up like this. If you've traveled and get somebody else's house, so that they don't think that, oh, you're repeating your head dukes. Ooh, ooh. Oh, honey. I love this. Okay, let me go on to the next one. Okay, the sizes are actually different. See, this one is quite big compared to the other one. I like it big and better. Bigger the better. So this is one. Oh, guys, this is just very classy. Like, if you are a madame, like a married